Hey guys, today we're going to be assembling one of our EasyLine wall upper cabinets. It's designed with a newer technology and invisible fasteners. It comes with a flat pack for easy assembly. First things first, check our labels to ensure we have all the parts needed and move aside the ones that we don't. It's an adjustable shelf. So we're looking for our top and bottom today. There we go. Two gables, which will have the receptions. Everything lines up properly. You'll have a router. So when you go to attach these hinges, you want to make sure that your raised tab to the inside comes down. Okay?
No, it doesn't have right now.
Do that.
No.
Now the top of your wall upper cabinets will have just a very little piece of edge tape that you'll have to cut out. And that also helps you with the orientation. Now that you have that sorted, your bottom, let's take a look. Like I said, your top is your edge tape. So your top will be the one without a router side. Okay? This just slides in, pull that forward. Your bottom will have a router to it. So you can slide that in, pull that forward. Grab your trusty little mallet here, and tap it until it locks. Beautiful. Once those are lined up, you can move on and grab your other gable. You're going to line up your peanut holes, or line up your connectors. And tap this forward as well. Once all 4 points are lined up, you're going to grab your back, which is labeled. As you see, you have a router. You're going to make this to the inside of the cabinet. Give that a little tap, make sure it's all flushed up. You'll be given a confirmant screw. Make sure you put that in there. And that keeps everything nice and tight. There you go. There's the cabinet. You'll also be given 4 adjustable shelf clips. Depending on the amount of adjustable shelves inside, it's 4 for every one. So if you end up with 2, you'll have 8, etc. Set your preferred height. Grab your adjustable shelf. You can see one side and just tap it down until it clicks. There you go. You'll see that it's pre-drilled to receive your hinges. You'll be sent the required amount of hinges with each cabinet in the packaging. You're going to lightly tap these in, back and forth until they're seated fully. At which point you're going to grab your door mutes, stick those on.